Okay, so you see that, guys? Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial. So today I'm gonna teach you uh, the third video, the part 3 of my first and second video. This is how to create a Java program that will display in a diamond format using a looping statement. So from the part 1 and part 2, okay, so take a code. So this is the part 1. See that? Okay. The part 1. Okay, so remember the part 1 is okay, let's try. Okay, so part 1 showing a pyramid. Hello guys, this is the part 1 of my previous video. Then from the second video, the part 2, okay, wait. So this is my part 2. The part 2, let's run. The part 2 display a reverse pyramid. Remember, so the part 1 and the part 2, I need I merge both part 1 and part 2. So let's start. So on the part 1, Okay, so you see that, guys? When you enter the number of rows you want to print, like a 10, the output display a diamond with the separate layer or 10 layer from pyramid and reverse pyramid. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so okay, guys, you can screenshot now. Okay, guys, so if you done, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, my tutorial. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. So thank you guys and goodbye. Good luck.